18 Killer Ways to Promote YouTube Videos for Higher Traffic, Best Places to Share YouTube Videos. YouTube is a robust and powerful video hosting site with massive servers that ensure your video is always available. It's a free and easy way to host videos you create to promote your site, products and services. There's just one question: where do you promote your video once it's hosted? Answer and idea is right on the next slide. 1. Your blog. The first and most obvious place to share your video is on your own website and blog. 2. Facebook. The largest social network available, Facebook is a no-brainer location to share your video. 3. Google+. Google owns YouTube, so posting a video on Google+ is an easy decision. 4. Your newsletter. Your email newsletter is an audience already interested in the content you produce. 5. Tumblr. Tumblr is an often overlooked social blogging platform that few businesses use effectively. 6. Twitter. Twitter goes along with Facebook and Google+ as one of the instant shares. 7. Instructables. If your video is a how-to guide or tutorial, you may be able to share it effectively on Instructables. 8. Wimp. Wimp is a simple, bare-bones site that embeds interesting videos from around the internet. 9. LinkedIn. LinkedIn is another one of the big social sharing sites for your video. 10. Partner blogs. If you have partners in your industry, you should talk to them about promoting your video on their blogs. 11. Press releases. Many of the larger blog networks, such as Gawker, do not accept randomly posted videos on their blogs. 12. Print ads. Only a few videos are viable for promotion via print. These videos need to be relatively timeless. 13. StumbleUpon. Submitting a video to StumbleUpon is as easy as installing the toolbar and clicking the thumbs up button on your video's page. 14. Instagram. Won't embed your video through Instagram, they prefer shorter videos, but create an image that links to your blog post or video page. 15. Pinterest. Pinning a video on Pinterest is an incredibly easy procedure, and it adds your video to the active list of pins. 16. Affiliate sites. If you have affiliates in the industry, encourage them to promote your video. 17. Reddit. Reddit is a unique forum on the internet with millions of users and almost as many subreddits. 18. Digg. Submit your site to Digg and encourage your tech-savvy readers to promote it. So, what do you think? Now I want to hear from you. What do you think of this list? Maybe I missed a high-quality social media platform. Either way, leave a comment below right now to let me know. Smile.